Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 8.4 fourth problem. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. 9 secant square a minus 9 tan square a. So you have to find the value. Secant square a, tan square a. What identity we can choose here? From these three, we can choose tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. We can choose this one. Choose that and write first. So instead of theta, we can write here a. Okay. And here we have, in two terms, we have 9. So I am going to take it out. 9 secant square a minus tan square a. So tan square a plus 1 is equal to secant square a. I have here secant square a minus tan square a. If we shift tan square a to right hand side means we will get minus tan square a. That is, if we shift this one means what we will get? This is the formula. This is the formula. And I'm going to shift tan square, that secant square a already we have in the right hand side, and minus tan square a. The remaining is 1 here. So instead of secant square a minus tan square a, what we can apply? 1. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So what is the correct option? 9. So the answer is option B, 9. Clear all of you? First identify that which identity we have to choose. Okay. And then now see the second problem. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta 1 minus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equal to dash. The option is 0, 1, 2, minus 1. Here, can you guess which identity we can choose here? We have sin square, cos square. Here we don't have anything. And cot, cosecant. Cot square theta and cosecant square theta only we have. But here cot theta and cosecant theta only is there. So we can't apply any identities here because we don't have square. So instead of that, what we can do means we can write tan theta in terms of cos and sin. Sin by cos. Tan theta we can write sin theta divided by cos theta. And secant theta we can write reciprocal, that 1 divided by cosecant theta. Sorry, cos theta. Secant theta we can write cos theta. And then cot theta we can write 1 by tan theta, the reciprocal formula. And cosecant theta is equal to 1 divided by sin theta. This tan again we can change into sin by cos. So if we reciprocal, what we will get for cot? Cos theta divided by sin theta. Clear kana? Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot we can write in terms of tan, that 1 divided by tan theta. Instead of tan theta we can substitute sin theta divided by cos theta. If we reciprocal means we will get cos theta divided by sin theta. First formula, second, and this is third and fourth. I'm going to apply here. 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta and 1 divided by sin theta. Okay. Now take LCM. cos theta. So here we don't have anything in the denominator, so you have to multiply with cos theta. Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. And then here take LCM, sin theta. Here we don't have anything, so write here positive, ma. In the question we have positive. Okay, so take LCM, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. We can combine this two, no? So I'm going to combine cos theta, sin theta, and cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. You can simplify this one. I can apply one algebraic formula, that a plus b, a minus b formula. A plus b, a minus b formula. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This formula I am going to apply here. Which one is a? But tell me that which one is a and which one is b. That is very important, because one must be positive and one must be negative, no? So where we have positive, here we have positive and here also we have positive. So we can't take this is a also must be same, no? Cos, if I'm taking a is cos theta here, means that same must come here. Okay, keep it in mind. And then here positive, here also positive, so we can't take it, and here positive and here negative. So based on that I'm going to divide a, b. Okay, so the a is cos theta plus sin theta and b is 1. Here also we can write cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, so the answer is, the a value is cos theta plus sin theta and b is equal to 1, and b is equal to 1. Now substitute. So a square minus b square. A is cos theta plus sin theta, the whole square, that is a square, this is a, minus b is 1, b square, a square minus b square divided by cos theta sin theta, cos theta and sin theta. Till we didn't get the answer. What are the options we have? 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 1D. So you have to simplify this one also. By which formula we can simplify? Algebraic formula. What formula? A plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square formula we can apply. What's the formula? A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is the value of a here? Cos theta. A is equal to cos theta and b is equal to sin theta. B is equal to sin theta. Clear kana? So now apply a plus b here. This is a and this is b. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1. 1 square is 1. So we expressed this term by using the algebraic identity cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Clear all of you? This how you can express Rakana. You can apply one algebraic identity, no, sorry, trigonometric identity, no. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is, instead of this we can apply trigonometric identity. Which identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So instead of this, I'm going to substitute 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Clear kana? So simplify this one again. Plus 1 minus 1. We can cancel this 2. And the remaining is 2 cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Clear? So we can cancel cos theta sin theta. What will be the answer? 2. So the option C is the correct option. Answer C. The answer is C, second. 2. Next, see the third problem. Secant A plus tan A and 1 minus sin A is equal to dash. Here we don't have any square, so we can't apply the identity, trigonometric identity. So instead of that, we can apply one formula, that reciprocal formula, and instead of tan theta, we can apply sin theta divided by cos theta. That we can apply. So secant A is equal to 1 by cos A, and tan A is equal to sin A divided by cos A. And sin A, keep this as it is, no need to change, because it is in sign only. Okay. Remaining things only we can change. 1 divided by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. 1 minus sin A. Now take LCM. Take LCM. So 1 plus sin A and 1 minus sin A. Both are in numerator and in multiplication only. So I am going to combine together. 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A divided by cos A. It is in multiplication only, so we can write like this. Okay. Now, one algebraic formula we can apply here, that A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. The value of A is the plus minus. So like this we can separate. So A is equal to 1 and B is equal to sin A. B is equal to sin A. Now we can apply 1 square, that is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Clear? A is 1 and B is sin. 1 minus sin square A divided, 1 square is 1, you know, 1 minus sin square A divided by cos A. See this 1 minus sin square A. How we can change? We got a square, so we can apply a trigonometric identity here. Which identity we can apply? That sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Here we have 1 minus sin square. So if we shift this sin square A to right hand side, means cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. We will get 1 minus sin square A. So instead of 1 minus sin square A, we can apply cos square A. Clear? By using the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Cos square A divided by cos A. And here we have 2 cos A and here 1 cos A. We can cancel 1. So the remaining is cos A. The answer is which option? D. Option D, cos A. Answer. Clear all of you? Here we don't have any square, so we can apply the reciprocal and instead of tan, sin by cos. Simplify. and then get the answer. Next, see the fourth problem. Fourth subdivision, 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot A. The options are A is equal to secant square A, B is minus 1, and C is cot square A, and D is tan square A. Clear? Now you have to simplify this one. Here we have square. We can apply the trigonometric identity, but there is no common formula for tan and cot. But one thing we have in a common, that cot we can write in terms of tan by the reciprocal formula. That is, cot we can write 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A. Clear? So 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus, instead of cot I am going to substitute 1 by tan square A. 1 by tan square A. And then take LCM. Simplify the denominator. Keep the numerator as it is. 1 plus tan square A. Keep the numerator as it is. And simplify the denominator. Take LCM. Tan square A plus 1 divided by tan square A. And reciprocal this one. If we reciprocal, what we will get? Keep the numerator first, 1 plus tan square A. If we change, means what we will get? Tan square A divided by tan square A plus 1. Tan square A plus 1. So see this one, it is in multiplication. 1 plus tan square A and tan square A plus 1 both are same. So we can cancel this 2, and the answer is tan square A, and the remaining is tan square A. So which one is the correct option? Option D. So the answer is D, tan square A. See the question and choose which identity and which method we can choose. Choose a appropriate method and then simplify, get the answer. Are you all clear, children? Thank you.